Welcome back to my channel. This is Kokwidrose in Butterfly. So, today's vlog, I'm going to cook. And come with me in the kitchen and let's cook the beef sauce for lasagna. So, I want you to learn something yung mga di pa nakakaalam. So, actually, this is not a tutorial and I just want to share it with you guys. Who knows, gusto niyong matuto, diba? So, ayun, samahan niyo ko dun sa kitchen and magluluto tayo. So, anyway, today is Sunday. I didn't go anywhere. I'm just here. And shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta. And shout out to Beef. So, yun lang po. So, tara, samahan niyo ko dun. May butterfly ako. So ayan guys, as you can see, we have here the carrots, 2 pieces of carrots, and I'm using also here this bell pepper, and of course I have the big sibuyas or onion, and this, as you can see, this is our beef. Tapos nakita nyo, the color is like this because I already blanched this in a hot water or in a boiling water. So I have 2 here. There's another one. So okay. Kaya ayan. Wala na siya guys, wala na siyang blood. Na-remove na yung mga blood niya. So para mas maganda and hindi siya maging masebo. So okay, ayan. So wait for me and I have to chop all of this. Chop. Okay, back to you in a bit, guys. Tcharan! Chan! I'm back, guys. As you can see, ito na, mga nakaready na sila. Ayan. Ito na yung ating onion. And I have also this salad because madami siya. So, as you can see, ang dami-dami niya, guys, no? So, pinagkasya ko yung bell pepper sa isang lagayan. And I have this carrots, chopped carrots, or in dice. And also this another carrots. Kasi hindi na siya maliit. So I have to put this another here. So I have this all of these ingredients. So this is basil, oregano, and Italian seasoning and thyme. I'm also using the salt. And I'm using here the chili flakes and of course an oil. So here's the ground beef, another ground beef. So okay guys. Let's start it to cook. What's in there for me? Okay? Ta-da! Wait. Okay. First, I'm going to put the oil. Not too much guys, kasi mayroon pang sobrang oil. So, I have to cook lang the onion. Okay? So, wait. Okay, here we go guys. Okay. Tcharan! And I'm adding this carrots. The bell pepper. Smells so good. Kakaiba talaga yung aroma ng bell pepper and then the sibuyas. Smells so good! Okay. Okay, here we go. It's about time to add the ground beef. Oh. Okay guys, wait. Okay, here's the spices I'm going to use. As you can see, it has here a 4 portion. Kasi guys, iba-iba siya eh. So, this is now the Italian seasoning, the basil leaves, and the thyme, and I'm adding here the oregano, this one. So, nilagay natin siya dito. Okay? And next, I'm adding this later, the chili flakes, and the salt. Hindi ko pakita guys kasi hinahawakan ko yung cellphone eh. So, ayan. So, just wait na lang. Ayan na siya. And of course, I'm using here this one, but the sobrang dami na ating lawyaw. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now next is I'm adding here, by the way guys, and actually I am also using this milk. Okay, instead of water, I never use water, so I just add here milk for a better taste. Okay guys, ayan, milk to galing sa ref. So ayan, papakuloy lang natin siya guys para lumambot yung ating beef. So ayan lang ha. Okay, ayan na siya guys lahat. So as you can see, yan na yung kulay orange, which is the carrots, and the green thing is the bell pepper, and we have here the bay leaves and the other spices. Everything is here. So I'm adding this a little amount of chili flakes in here. Hi, chili flakes, and I already put guys the salt, and I didn't show it to you because inikot-ikot yun, hindi ko mahawakan yung camera. And of course, using this for a better taste, guys. Okay. Hayaan lang natin siyang kumulo hanggang siya ay mag-drain. So, i-drain natin siya mamaya before we're going to add the sauce or the red sauce. Alright, so back to you in a bit guys. Let's wait. And cover muna natin siya, okay? Ayan, cover muna natin. So ayan, anyway guys, as you can see, we have here the sauce.
We have this.
Don't touch it. Let it boil.
Kasi guys, you know what? Yung purpose ng ating vinegar is para hindi siya mapanis yung ating niluluto kahit matagalan siya ng ilang araw. So, hindi siya makapanis. Okay? So, takpan lang natin siya ulit. Charan! Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. So, ayan guys. As you can see, I didn't put any water in here kasi actually yung dish niya is hot water yun. So, I don't need to put water in it. I just added milk in here. So, let's just wait na mag-drain siya. Okay, so back to you in a bit guys. Pag na-drain na siya, I'll get back to you when it's time to add the red sauce for here. Okay, so bye for a while. Ta-da! Okay, I'm adding this guys. This is a butter. A little amount of butter. Ta-da! And another one. I'm adding here cheese. Cheese. Okay, para mag-cheesy sa cheese. Okay. Kaya masarap siya, guys. Hindi mo nalaman itong ano ginagawa. This is so good. Okay, hintayin na siya pag-melt siya dyan. Ta-da! Okay. And another one. So, I'm adding here guys 4 letters. So, yan. Ito lang ha. So, ayan guys. Nandito na lahat na sauce, 4 letters. 4 letter, I don't know kung paano sabihin. 4 liters na sauce, red sauce, I mean. So, luto na siya. Ayan guys, diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay niya guys, oh, luto na siya. And by the way, may nakalimutan akong ilagay. Let me add the black pepper pala, sorry. I forgot to add the black pepper. Kaya pala sabi ko parang may kulang. Okay. So let me add the black pepper in here. Ta-da! See, that's a black pepper guys. That's a lot. Para masarap siya. Diba? Okay, that's all. We're done. We're done now. And ito na yung ating finished product. Sabi nga, okay, it's finished product. So what I did here guys is I'm going to add here a dry na garlic. Okay, or minced garlic pero it is dry. So, okay, just wait guys. I'll show it to you. Para masarap siya. Okay, here. Ta-da-da! This is the dried minced garlic, guys. It tastes so good. Don't know whether. Okay. Have to mix it again. And this is done. Lasagna, I mean. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is all for tonight.